Welcome to What the...
Fuck is in the box. Mike stole my line.
What?
That was my line. You stole it.
I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. I just showed up here. I mean, they said I was late, but...
I don't know why
I'm
we
here.
have a script.
I don't know why they complain so much.
We're bored with a script that we don't even follow it. What did you bring with you, Mike? This is Mike, by the way. He didn't introduce himself. That's Mike.
I'm Mike. They call me Mike sometimes. Sometimes they call me...
Smiles,
because I smile sometimes, but
smiles.
I don't feel like smiling today, Drew.
What?
You're great.
No.
Why are you so serious?
No, I always smile. I'm just... What the fucking with you.
Oh, I see what you did
So
there.
I brought a Compustar remote start.
What's part number?
That's not actually the part number, though, is it?
TWR.
RFX-2WR3, which I don't think anybody's going to Google looking for that part, but they'll probably Google Compustar remote start or best remote start out there.
Ooh.
And that's Compustar.
All right. I hope this isn't taped. Why don't you tell the people what this is as I try to figure out how to unbox it, because we did not prepare this at all.
So sometimes people go out to their car and it's freezing cold and it takes forever for it to warm up.
Forever.
And then they're like, how can I make this go away?
Have you ever seen Sandlot?
And then this comes up.
Forever.
Forever. Forever. Forever.
No, I've never seen that movie.
What?
What is it?
You serious?
Did it just come out?
I hate you. Can't work with him. Amateur. All right, what do we got, Mike? We got this thing here. What's this?
This is a walkie-talkie.
Oh, that's good. It's nice of them.
Now, this is a drone. Got the camera up there. So a drone is what Compustar calls their, how to say it. So you have apps pretty much for everything. You have an app to start your car. So that's what this little piece attaches to your car and lets you start it with your phone. So
How far does this remote work from, Mike?
I'm going to go with 3,000 feet.
How many football fields
I mean,
is that?
what is 3,000 feet, Mr. Quebec?
How many football fields is that, Mike?
How many football fields is that? Is that 10? Man, somebody's giggly today.
A little giggly. How many?
10.
Ah, you cheater. You ruined it. All right, what do you got? Let's go over it.
This is key jewelry. You believe that? You buy that?
No. No, I don't buy it. What
So
is it?
this is the button that you use for the device where you can lock it, unlock it. You can start your vehicle with it,
Okay.
and you can stop it running.
Oh, cool.
All
So-
with one button.
So the thing I like about it is,
Wow.
if you look at it, the size, right? So, not really sure how to compare how small this is. Adding this onto your keychain, this is a extremely small.
Makes your hands
key.
look huge.
It does. I feel like a giant. I'll give you an idea. Here's my factory one, right? So, give you a comparison of that. I mean, this thing is extremely tiny, which is a really cool add-on feature for these guys. It is a simple remote start. 3,000 feet is incredible range. It does have two-way communication, which is nice. So Mike mentioned earlier, you can actually stop it, which is a killer piece.
I don't think you'd even ever use this really. Like if it was
Really?
me,
Oh, you
I
use
would
the app.
use my cell phone. So you can lock, unlock, you can start it, and you can do it from way farther than 3,000 feet or
With the drone.
how many football fields?
That would be 10 football fields.
Oh, wow, you're good.
I did the math in
So
my
the
head.
drone, that's the big thing with it. They throw this in. This might be good for, if somebody's taking your car out, you can just give them this 'cause they might not have the app. But it's always good to have. But you actually don't have to put that on your keys, which is pretty neat about it. So
What are these things?
these are wires. I don't know.
Very good, Mike.
I'm guessing they go to this.
There you go.
Super simple install, but only has these two wires.
That's good.
I'm going with easy.
All right, this right here. What do you got?
Oh, man.
It's an antenna.
I'm going to go with it's an antenna.
Oh, good call, Mike. Good call.
But you're not going to want to install these yourself. You're going to want to go to your trusted independent retailer, which knows everything about cars, who's going to install these little boxes into your car and keep it from getting cold in the morning.
Yes, hopefully they know a lot more than we appear to know about it. But ultimately, one-button remote start is what this is, which is a killer feature for a lot of people, especially because you got to remember used cars, right? What is it? 11 years, I think, is the average car on the road right now. So a lot of people believe that everybody.
11 years? Wow.
Mind blown, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 11 years. So a lot of people think that every car comes with a remote start. That's also not true, right? Even the new cars, remote start is not a mandatory piece in them. So especially wasn't in the older cars. So as people are driving their cars around, this is a feature they want more and more. I know up north this flies off the shelves, but for me, we live in the southeast, and it doesn't get very snowy in the southeast, but it gets extremely hot.
It's Terminator Part 2 when he put the bad guy in that lava hot when he put his thumb on. I'm telling you right now, Arnold Schwarzenegger would rather swim in that lava than be out here in Florida right now. It's too hot.
It's
So-
snowed here before.
Maybe. For me, the remote start is big on the air conditioning. It takes my car forever to cool off. So having a remote start where I can get the car up and running and have the AC on before I get in it for about 5 or 10 minutes is fantastic. So by the time you get in there, it's nice, it's cool, it's comfortable. You don't have to get in the car and sweat, which everybody knows. In Florida, in the summer, that's happening. Texas, right?
Oh, yeah.
Mississippi, Louisiana, our whole footprint, everywhere in the southeast. So it's thought of as a winter device, but it really can be a fantastic summer add-on. So ultimately, I want to thank the guys at Compustar, right?
Thank you guys at Compustar.
Thank you guys
We
at
really
Compustar.
appreciate it.
We appreciate the product. We are giving this away. All you need to do is comment with your name or dealer number below.
Can they put a joke?
You can put a joke. Mike likes jokes.
I read them. I know Drew reads them, but
do
it'd be
read
pretty cool to see some funny jokes. You know.
Mike's got requests for people.
Can we get extra points for it, or
Yeah, I'll give you extra. We'll give you 2. Listen.
for a good joke?
Two.
No lame joke.
No, I'll take a
good
lame joke. Any joke. We'll give you 2
Okay,
entries
lame joke
for
still?
a lame joke. Yeah.
Lame jokes take points away, I thought.
Doubling it up.
Okay.
Doubling it up. Please like, comment, subscribe, right?
What's that?
I hate you. We'll see you guys next time.
See you guys.
Every time I close my eyes, I sweat. Every time I breathe, I sweat. My AC bill, my light bill gonna be so high because I got it on 53. And 63 in my house is starting to feel like it's so hot outside. Let me get this damn chain up.